Viewers, welcome back into the video. So we will continue the Linux basics uh, today also. So let's discuss the basic command. Continue. So the next command is who am I? Who am I is basically used to check the currently logged in user. So with the help of this command, you can check which user is currently logged in. So as you can see right now, I am logged in as a root user. So now with the help of this command, you can check. The next command is su. Su stands for switch user. With the help of this command, you can switch from one user to another user. Let's say I want to switch from root user to my regular user. Let's say my username is Amar. So as you can see, so let me check again. Am I now? I am logged in as Amar. So with the help of SU, you can switch from one user to another. So let me switch again to root user. To switch root user from regular user, you just need to press SU only. So I will hit enter. Then it will ask me password of root. And I will enter the password of root, which is me enter. So now I am logged in as a root. So our next command is cal. Cal is basically used to display the calendar of the current one. So you can see this will display the calendar of current ones. Let's say I want to copy the output of this cal command into one file. So in this case, I would use redirection. So our next command is redirect. Redirection is basically used by the greater than sign. So let's say I want to capture uh, output of cal command into one file which is known as calendar. So let me first create the calendar name file. So right now I'm in the home directory of Amar. So let me first go into /temp. You can create in any directory. There is not mandatory that you need to create on the instance. As per your uh, choice, you can create. So just for your information, I'm just creating. Let me create such calendar.txt. So this will create the file name calendar. Let me check again. These ls-ltr command I already discussed in my previous video, so you can check my previous video also for more details. So this is the, as you can see, my file has been created. Now I want to capture the output of cal command into this file. So for that I will hit cal, then redirection, sign, then space, then the file name. Here my file name is calendar. One more thing, you no need to type the full name of command. Just after typing just 2 to 3 character letter of your file name, you just need to hit tab sign. So once I press tab key, so it will automatically take the name of the file. It's a very important information. Right now, since I am using the redirection, so it is not taking, but you can try this option. Let me hit. So let me check the output, whether the output has been created or not. For that, I will use cat, then cal and tab. As I mentioned, by pressing tab key, you no need to type the full name of the created files. It will automatically take the full name. So as you can see, our output has been created. So this is very important. Our next command is ping. Ping is basically used to ping any particular host or IP. You can ping any host name, any host of your network or particular IP address. So let me let's say I want to ping google.com here, whether I am connected with internet or not. So for that I will press google.com. As you can see, my google.com site is pinging. So this is the very important command. In place of google.com, you can also type IP address also. So ping is very important. The next command is if you are a Windows user, so you probably knows the IP config, which is basically used to display the information of IP address, subnet mask, gateway. But in Linux, we use if config. So with the help of if config, you can check the IP address and the configured network setting of your system. So after pressing the, let's say you can check the current configured IP address of this machine is 192.168.1.7 and the net mask is 255.255.0 and the broadcast is this, and this is basically denoted by inet. So this is also a very important command you should always remember. Our next command is free. Free command is basically used to check the memory status, but up to free we need to use some options. Let's say I want to check the memory status in megabytes, so I will use free hyphen m. So it will show me the size in megabyte. As you can see, our total memory, currently I have total memory is 1476 MB, out of which 1016 has been used and 68 MB is free. Similarly, you can check swap is used to total swap is 2047 MB and out of which total is free, 0 is used. Let's say I want to check in GB, so in place of M I will use G, so it will show me in gigabit. So this is also a very important command. Our next command is df. Df is basically used to check the partitions in Linux. So to check the partitions, currently partition information, you can check this command. So if I press df without any option, so this will display me in the form of bytes. But let's say I want to check the size in human readable, which is like in MB or GB. So I will use H here. So as you can see, PF5 match will show me the size in megabytes. So as you can see, my partitions information right now I have These partitions configure temp purpose, temp purpose, three temp purpose, and two partitions, which is one is root, and the another is temp purpose. So with the help of this command, you can check the partitions information. Our next command is du. Let's say you want to check the information of disk usage of particular directory. Let me jump into the OPT directory and let me list the content of this directory. So this will show me the content. Let's say I want to check the usage of particular all the files which is available in this directory. So I will use du, that is disk usage space star. So this will show me the size utilized of all the files and directory. So as you can see, this file is consuming 4, and this is consuming also 4. So with the help of this, you can check. Similarly, let me jump into the slash bar directory and then log. Let me hit again sh. sh is the option which will show you in human readable format. So let me press again. As you can see, this is showing me all the size which is utilized by the files. This Anaconda file utilization is 2.4 MB. This is consuming 2.4 MB size. On the project file is consuming 11 MB. Similarly, boot.log is 220 KB. So du-sh space star. This is the very important command you should always remember. If you are like you are working in the as a IT support engineer, so uh, sometimes we face the partitions issues. So at that time, this command is very helpful to resolve the partition related issues. So this is the very important command you should always keep in mind. Our today's next uh, important command is where is. Where is. Where is, as the name suggests, and you can understand, this command is to view the exact location of any command typed after this command. Let's say I want to check the location of ls. So this will show me the exact location of ls. So as you can see, my ls command path is this. Ls command have two paths. One is this, and another one is. Oh, this is showing because I hit here ls command, so this is also showing me ls in full format, in zip format also. So with the help of this, you can check the exact path of in particular file or particular command. So this is also an important point, important command Linux. Next command is last. Last is basically will show you the last last logged in user information. So with the help of this command, you can check the information. Our next command is CPU. The CPU will show you the information, all the information related CPU, like the architecture, CPU model, the byte order, So all the information of CPU this way this command will display. So you can check with the help of this command. Similarly, you can check ls HW which will list you hardware information. Since this command is right now not known, so you need to install this command. So you can simply install this command by yum install ls HW. So this will install this command on your system, and after that you can check. So these are the some of the basic command for today's. So I hope you enjoy this video, and in my next video I will come along with next few more important commands for Linux. Till then, continue watching and learning. Thanks for watching.